Figma just made things easier for designers with their latest update, which is called multi-edit, that allows you to select matching layers of your design and apply some changes at the same time. Without further ado, I'm going to teach you on how to implement this latest update when designing. I'm going to be walking you through the basics of multi-edit. Let's just assume this is our design in different tabs. I want to make changes to this black color shape. The simplest way to do that is through multi-edit. You simply click one and head to this place, the top bar here. You will notice a new icon is added there. It's called select maxing layers. Immediately we click that, you see it automatically select all the colors or the shades that is related to this one. I click. Through this, we can simply make changes to this by increasing or reducing the size, or even think of changing the color. So we can either change this to another color, and you see it automatically changes in all the designs. Let me take another example. I'm going to select the second shape and click my multi-edit. The shortcut is Command Option A, but in Windows is Control Alt A. So I'm going to click multi-edit, and you see it automatically selected all the colors that is related to this particular eclipse. Another amazing feature that Figma also added is the ability for you to name your layers. I know this is a good news to so many designers. So the shortcut for you to do that is Ctrl R. Once you do that, you will see the preview, which is the default name of the eclipse, and here for you to select or to rename it. So I can simply rename this one to whatever thing I may want to name it. So that's it for the auto renaming of element. Moving to a more realistic design, let's just assume I want to make changes to all these tabs that are here. So the shortest way of which I've told you guys is through multi-edit. Let me select this first test here. Grab your first. So to select the matching layers, you click here and you see it automatically clicks everything that is related to this particular test in this design. So we can simply increase our font or make any other changes we may want to change. To simply edit it, I'm going to select this next tab that is close to it. It's called multi-edit text. By selecting that, it gives me the ability to name or to re-edit it. So I'm going to do something else, like change the text to good. So immediately I do that, you see it reflected on all the designs. These are simple ways of which you can use multi-edit in your daily designing life. This also applies to if I want to change the position of a particular element. So by clicking this, I'm going to select the matching layers. Let's just say I want to change the position of this to this side. You see everything automatically shifts to how I move them. The next example I'm going to be showing you guys is how to use multi-edit in an auto layout. The only difference is that one is in horizontal part and the other one is in the vertical part. Let's just say we want to make changes to their positions through multi-edit. You can select their maxing layers and you automatically select all the related shapes. To change their relative positions, in this vertical side, maybe we want to shift it to the down. I'll simply use my navigation bar, the up and down side, to navigate the vertical side. Once I do that, you see it pays respect to only the vertical side. So what if I want to make changes to the horizontal part? I will simply use the back and front key on my keyboard to navigate the horizontal part. I'm going to show you the last example of which you can use multi-edit when designing. Do you remember how we used to first make a master component before designing that will control all intrinsic or primary components in a design? Figma just made it so easy that we can make a component even when we have already started designing. Let's say we want to make this tab here, this navigation bar, a master component. I'm going to select their matching layers, of which I've done that. So the next thing is to create a master component. I'm going to create a master component by clicking create component up here. Immediately you do that, you will see a tab appears outside the design. So this is the tab that appeared outside the design. So with this tab, we can make changes to this particular design. This is what I mean. So let's say I want to change. Let me bring it down here. Let's say I want to change this orange color to a different color. So I'll simply click this one that is outside our design, of which is a master component. I'll go to this color tab and change the color. So I might change it to something like pink or so. So once you do that, what do you notice? It automatically changes the color of everything here. So this one now acts as a master component and all these ones here act as intrinsic component or primary component. So we have come to the end of this video. I would like you to click the subscribe button and like so it can be recommended to other people who might need this video. See you guys later.